Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Leaderstats easy method. Start by opening Roblox Studio, then add a script to server script service and name it Leaderstats. Create a player added event, and inside it create a folder named Leaderstats, then add int value or string value objects for each stat you want displayed. Set default values and connect any gameplay events to update those values dynamically for each player. This part explains common stat types and why to pick them. Int value works well for points and currency because it uses whole numbers and sorts naturally on leaderboards. String value is perfect for labels or ranks that need text, while bool value handles simple true or false conditions like VIP access. Choose types based on how you will compare, sort, and display data to keep leaderboards predictable and efficient. Quick recommendation: if you want comfort while scripting, try Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty for long coding sessions and fewer distractions from sore feet. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear Roblox tutorials. I put the product link and other deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Next, learn how to keep stats between sessions using data store properly. Save only when necessary, like on player removing or periodic checkpoints, to avoid request limits and potential throttling. Always validate loaded data for correct types and reasonable ranges before assigning to Leaderstats objects. Implement basic retry logic and fallbacks so players don't lose progress, and test save and load flows thoroughly in multiple play sessions to ensure reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.